Today I am going to explain about filters or frequency selective circuit that passes a specified band of frequencies and attenuates outside of the band of frequency, that is called electric filter. Here there are two types of filters are there. One is passive filter and second one is that active filters. Passive filters are using passive components. Those are like resistor, inductor, capacitor. It performs only filtering. But active filters uses op-amp as active element and another elements are passive elements. Those are RLC, resistor, inductor and capacitor. The differentiation between passive filter and active filters is passive filters only performs filtering operation, but active filters performs filtering and also amplification. Here first number of filters are there: low pass, high pass, band elimination. These all are different types of filters. Already we know about filters. Low pass filters only allows the low frequency band of frequencies and reject high frequency band of frequencies. High pass filters which allows only high band of frequencies and reject low band of frequencies. Band pass filter only which allows some band of frequency and another band of frequency will be removed. And band rejection filter which allows only specified band. It rejects some specified range of frequencies and eliminate other frequencies. In those filters, first one is that active low pass filter. Here that first order Butterworth filter or active low pass filter. Already we know about low pass filter. It is a combination of resistor and capacitor. Here why it is called low pass filter means for low frequencies the capacitor acts as open circuit. At that case V output is equals to V input, means for low frequencies which allows the input as output. For high frequencies the capacitor acts as short circuit, then V output is equals to 0, means which doesn't allows high frequency of signals. So from that we can say that the combination of resistor and capacitor is acts as low pass filter. That low pass circuit can be connected to the non-inverting terminal of operational amplifier. It is that active low pass filter. And next VA is equals to VB, virtually ground connection in between VA and VB. So here next apply nodal analysis or voltage across capacitor VB. VB is equals to entering voltage VI into voltage across that capacitor 1 by SC by total resistance R plus 1 by SC. From that VB is equals to 1 by RSC plus 1 into VI. Same, apply KCL at node A, VA and this is VB. Apply nodal analysis at node A. Here I1 is entering current and I2 is also entering current. From that we can write VA minus 0 by R1 plus VA minus V0 by R2 is equals to 0. From that common VA into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 equals to V0 by R2 taken right side of that equation, V0 by R2. V0 is equals to VA into R1 plus R2 by R1. But here VA is equals to what? VB. Already we can calculate that VB value. VB is equals to 1 by RSC plus 1 into VI. Substitute that VA equals to VB is equals to 1 by RSC plus 1 into VI in previous equation. So V0 is equals to VI by 1 plus RSC into R1 plus R2 by R1. From that calculate gain. V output by V input is equals to R1 into 1 plus R2 by, here R1 is common, so R1 common, 1 plus R2 by R1 whole by R1 by 1 plus RSC. Next, put S is equals to j omega in this equation. S is equals to j omega, 1 plus R2 by R1 square root of, here 1 plus R2 by R1 by 1 plus R into, in S place j omega here, C. Magnitude, apply magnitude here. So 1 plus R2 by R1 is real term by, here real term square plus imaginary term square, square root of 1 plus omega square RC whole square. Here omega is equals to what? 2 pi f. Substitute the 2 pi f in here and consider fh is equals to 1 by r, omega h is equals to 1 by RC, or fh is equals to 1 by 2 pi RC. Substitute that one. Finally, we can get modulus of A is equals to 1 plus R2 by R1 by square root of 1 plus F by FH whole square. Here FH is the higher cutoff frequency up to this frequency, which allows that all band of frequencies. After that cutoff frequency, which doesn't allows that frequencies. It is graphical representation for low pass filter frequency versus gain. So here this is FH. FH is the cutoff frequency. This F is normal frequency. Apply some frequencies in above equation. We can get the graph is like this. At F is equals to 0, it has high gain. Means for example here F is equals to 0. Here we can get maximum gain up to FH. When F is less than FH, gain increases up to 20 dB per decay. Whenever the frequency is F is greater than FH, then gain is obviously decreases. And here when F is equals to FH, at that cutoff frequency is equals to minus 0.707 AL. Already we known about this low pass filter in networks. Next, second one is the second order low pass filter. In first order filter, we can use one RC circuit can be applied to the non-inverting terminal. But in second order low pass filter, we can take the combination of RC circuits are 2. These two RC circuits are connected to the non-inverting terminal. These can be used to improve the filter response then compared to the first order low pass filter. There the frequency response will be increasing or decreasing with the change of frequency, that is up to minus 20 dB per decay. But in second order low pass filter, we can observe that response changes in response is minus 40 dB per decay. Both are same, but here we are considering two RC stages. There will be only, we are using only one RC response, means RC circuit is connected to the non-inverting terminal. So same, apply nodal analysis at node A, at the same apply nodal analysis at node B. For node A, VA minus VI by R plus VA minus V0 by 1 by SC plus VA minus VB by R equals to 0. Let it be the equation number 1. And apply nodal analysis at B. Node B. Here VB minus VA by R plus VB minus 0 by 1 by SC is equals to 0. Let it be the equation number 2. For non-inverting operational amplified, the gain equation means V output by V input is equals to 1 plus RF by RA. From that, it is also like non-inverting operational amplified. Here also we are giving input to the non-inverting terminal, and inverting terminal can be connected to ground. For this we can write V output is equals to VC into 1 plus RF by R1. From that VC is equals to what here? VC is equals to V0 by 1 plus RF by R1. But here VB is equals to VC. Why? Because these two are connected in virtual connection. So VB is equals to what? V0 by 1 plus RF by R1. And from equation number 2 we can write VB minus VA by R is equals to minus VB into SE. And VA minus VB is equals to VB into R SE. So here VB minus VA can be written as VA minus VB, minus common, the minus and minus will be cancel each other. So from that VB is equals to VA by 1 plus R SE. It is equation number 3. And next from equation 1, VA minus VA by R plus VA minus V0 into SC plus VA by R minus VB by R is equals to 0. So here the equation is in the form of VA and VB. So this VB can be converted into VA. For that, same VA minus VI by R plus VA minus V0 SC plus VA by R minus VA by R into 1 plus RSC is equals to 0. And next VA by R. So here from above equation, from equation number 3 substitute VB value here. So VB equals to what? VA by 1 plus R SC. Already R is there. Here common VA by R. VA by R common is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus RSC is equals to 0. So here VA by R into 1 can cancel and R cancel. So VA into SC by 1 plus R in. So VA is common in these all equations. So here VA is common 1 by R plus 1 by SC plus 1 by 1 plus RSC. So the equation can be written like this: VA into 1 by R plus SC by 1 plus RSC is equals to, and remaining two terms can be take it as right side of the equation, VA by R plus V0 into SC. So according to virtual ground, VB is equals to VC. Already we known about that. So here VA is equals to LCM change 1 plus RSC plus here 1 by R. So here 1 into 1 plus RSC is 1 plus RSC plus SC into R into 1 plus RSC plus SCR by 1 plus RSC into R equals to VI by R plus V0 into SC. So here finally the conclusion of that equation is VA is equals to 3 into RSC plus RSC whole square by 1 plus RSC into R is equals to V0 SC plus VI by R. From this circuit voltage across that capacitor is equals to 1 by SC by total resistance R plus 1 by RSC into entering voltage is here VA. From that voltage across that capacitor is VB is equals to VA into 1 by SC by R plus 1 by SC. From that VB is equals to what? RSC plus 1. So here VA is equals to what? VB into RSC plus 1. Substitute that VA value in this above equation. So here VB into 1 plus RSC into the whole equation 1 plus 3 RSC plus SC RSC whole square by 1 plus RSC into R is equals to V0 SC plus VI by R. So here RSC plus 1 and RSC 1 plus both are cancel each other, and VB is equals to what? V0 by 1 plus RF into R1. Substitute that one and calculate the gain. From that above equation, V output by V input is equals to A0 by RSC whole square plus RSC into 3 minus A0 plus 1. Here A0 is the gain of the operational non-inverting operational amplifier. This A0 is equals to 1 plus RF by R1. For non-inverting operational amplifier, V output by V input is equals to 1 plus feedback resistance by input resistance. From that, this can be written as A0. This is for gain for a non-inverting operational amplifier. From that, we can write this equation: V0 by Vi is equals to A0 by RSC whole square plus RSC into 3 minus A0 plus 1. This equation can be written as transfer function. V0 by V input is equals to H of S is equals to A0 by RSC whole square plus SCR into 3 minus A0 plus 1. Here 3 minus A0 is known as damping factor, and put S is equals to J omega for steady state response. So H of S is equals to A0 by J omega whole square RC whole square plus J omega RC into, here 3 minus A0 is damping factor, that is alpha plus 1. So what is omega here? 2 pi f. Substitute that 2 pi f in above equation. A0 by J into 2 pi f whole square RC whole square plus 2 pi f RC into alpha plus 1. For that, H of J omega is equals to A0 into J square by F by FH. Here FH is equals to, consider 1 by 2 pi RC. Here FH is the high cutoff frequency for low pass filter. So same frequency response will get from second order low pass filter, but here the frequency deviation means the cutoff frequency will be increased up to FH, means higher stop band frequency, high stop band, it is having very high frequency. The stop band of the second order low pass filter is more than compared to that initial first order low pass filter.